Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how to turn a plain hurricane vase into a beautiful Christmas centerpiece. So for this DIY, you will need a hurricane vase. I'm going to be using 3. You will need some ribbon and you will need some pine leaves. You can go with real or faux, and some berries. So I'm going to start by just cutting this red berry from this pick, and I'm going to be using the red and some white ones. Now everything I'm using today you can get at the dollar store. I had the vases before, but they are still there. Everything you can get from the dollar store. I really liked that the greenery I got from the dollar store were all frosted, so it instantly gives you that wintry feel. And for the ribbon, guys, you can use any color ribbon you want that goes along with your theme. It could be red, green, or gold, or you can even go along with the more non-traditional colors or prints such as gingham or plaid or stripes. I'm going to start by wrapping my burlap ribbon around the base of the vase, and I'm going to make sure it overlaps because I'm going to be using some hot glue to hold it together. I'm adding a little bit of the hot glue now, and then I'm just going to overlap the ribbon and just press for a couple seconds just to make sure it's secured. After I'm done adding the ribbon to all 3 vases, I'm going to go ahead and add my greenery. And guys, if you love the holiday season like I do and you want to see some more great DIYs, please go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. And if you haven't yet subscribed, please go ahead and do so. I'm just going to add some hot glue to my pine leaf, and then I'm just going to stick it along the seam where I had the glue to overlap the ribbon. I'm going to add the pine leaf right in that area. And then to add a pop of color, I'm just going to go ahead and add the red berries right on top. I'm going to be doing the same thing for the remaining 2 vases. The only difference is the berries will be the white berries. So this is how they are looking thus far, and now I'm just going to be adding water to my vases. I'm going to fill them all the way to the top, and then I'm going to be adding some floating candles. Now I'm just going to be lighting up my candles, and I think these look so magical. So that's it, guys. This is how it turned out, and I think it looks beautiful. A simple, budget-friendly centerpiece that will definitely enhance your holiday decor. And as you can see, I repositioned the ribbon and greenery closer to the base of the vase because I just thought it looked better at the base, but it's very versatile. You can put it in the middle, closer to the top, or to the base. The vase is the same size from the top to the bottom, so it's just easy to slide the ribbon from the top to the bottom if you really need to reposition it. So thank you guys for watching as usual, and I will catch you in the next video.